What's gonna happen for the price action for Nikola on Monday? This is the most important question for any trader because the price got rejected right when we discussed it in our live streaming on Friday. Nikola, not good, not good. What's going on? Can I break here? Yeah, I'm gonna close it, guys. Watch out. This is not good at all. Exactly. So we closed the trade around the $2.70. So this is the warning sign that we give our hunters. Once we broke the $2.70, then the price went down. If you're already hunter at our channel here, we discussed the reversal bottom for Nikola. If we go on Discord, yeah, around the 27th of June, we said we're gonna have a reversal from the bottom and then a breakout around the $1.15. This was a chart analysis on our Discord and our picture as well, because we always do chart analysis update for mini play like Nikola and other stock that's squeezing. After that, when we exited, the price got shorted from the $2.70 until here 27%. So we have to discuss in this video where's the entry, where the price will squeeze, and where's the hidden sellers that should cover in order to have another squeeze like what we had before, almost 100%. Let's dive deeper and discuss Nikola price action for Monday. We have 3 profit taken for Nikola. We already entered and exited so many times, and the last time when we entered we have a bit of loss because we entered around this breakout. Let me just show you what we did on our live streaming. We exited around this wick, close our profit around 26%. Then we entered once again once we have the breakout here around the $2.70. The price went up, but I saw a bit of weakness because we have a huge seller, hidden seller here. We close our trade once we have this huge red candle and we never enter once again, and I went out with a little loss, almost 2%. Then I watch for a reversal. So we watch for a reversal from the $2. First around the $2.41, price reverse. Then the price went down to test this bottom price. The price almost gave up around the $2, but we held. So this is good reaction for Nikola that it held over the $2. And after hours, we don't have any action because the price went here and barcoding. It means there's no volume, there's no buyers, there's no sellers, and the price consolidating sideways. So on Monday we have to watch out for 2 support for Nikola in order to confirm an entry or exit or even short position for Nikola. Tesla looking good even though the market is red. We closed the same as for Nikola, almost 1%. You know why? Because we have earning coming up. And of course, if you want to prepare for hunt for Tesla, the best way to hunt for Tesla is on Momo. You know why? Because you can win free share of Tesla, and not just Tesla, even 15 free stocks. And how you can win those free stocks is pretty easy, guys. You just deposit $100 in order to win 5 free stocks. Even if you have an account with other broker, you can actually open another account on Momo and you just swing trade Tesla and the other stock on our list, like even Amazon, because they have earnings after just 2 weeks. Swing trade at the same time, you get free stocks on Momo. So the link in comment section below. Anyway, so the price is accumulating right now over the $2.04. We have a resistance around the $2.41. So if we want to have a breakout or a confirmation that Nikola will gonna squeeze on Monday, we need to break the $2.41, the first resistance. What I mean first resistance is mean the short have to cover here first. So this is the first squeeze. And of course, we have to watch out for the $2 because if the market opened below the $2, I don't suggest to buy here. I just wait and hunt here. That's why we always say in our hunter channel, let the price come to you, never run after the price. What I mean by that, I mean if the price broke the $2.04, you just let it be and wait for the price reverse from this bottom price around the $1.73 and $1.50, where we're gonna have huge reversal like this one or there. You see, when you buy around those bottom price or price value, we have a nice swing trade. Here we did 15%. There we did almost even 10%. So the same, when we visit this box, we're gonna do at least 20% or 15%. So that's why we call it hunting. However, As long as we hold the $2, we are good to go to break the $2.41 and have another pump for Nikola for the next week toward the $2.90. And of course, this is not the price target for next week. This is just the profit taken, the first profit taken. Of course, we're gonna do update for Nikola in pre-market, especially on our Discord and our Patreon for our hunters to prepare for Nikola price action for Monday, especially for Monday, because we might have even a gap over the $2.92. We have to update the chart, the entry and the other profit taken, the resistance, because when you prepare, it make it easier for you to focus on the trade and make it less emotional. And after that, of course, we're gonna hunt Nikola around our live streaming that we always do around 3 p.m. CT on our YouTube, of course. So thank you for watching and see you in the next update.